The first, you're the first department nga may adapt immediately on the recently concluded strategy refresh. Or ako na kaya ko natin. Oh, but I hope the rest are doing this and also really cascading the what we harvested from the strategy refresh. The process at that time when we did that for 2 days was we really listened to what people are telling us. We really listened and we did a grounding of where we are right now. Unya na may need i-reboot, i-tweak sa atong mga strategies and we did. And we were, I think, very successful in doing that. So with that, the refresh ang atong strategy. Now, we have a new one, positioning Bohol in the right perspective. Okay, lang ko niyo. Just joking. I just arrived from Manila. Excited ko kaayo, pero sa akong excitement, nakalimot ko kung ari ko dili from the airport. Diretso ko sa Capitol, di ba nung naman ako, mama, ito na makasa sa OPA. Anyway, I am so excited to share this with you. Congratulations. The presentations were so good and very reflective of how we would like to journey for the next 3 years. Okay. Nakascade yun. No, I had a meeting yesterday in Manila at the DA head office at the Quezon City Circle. And I was with naapanday pa akong mga kabatch, ng mga asset o mga using dito, mga kabatch. Well, I was in India, napapunday sila. So nasi si Ching Caballero of the High Value Crops. Dito si Asek Atayde, and Director for Livestock also, bata-bata na doon dito anak ko mga kabatch. I was excited because ay muna kung nag-shopping. Kaya na makikmeeting ka o mga tuwa dito. Muna maka-feel ka na I'd like to use the word gamay disconnect of what they have and what we're doing. Not really nga what na off tangent na nila, but nakagay opportunities nila dito nga wala to may bawi. And I think it is because I told them, whoever thought of that perfect, is not working. And I was so frank with them. We're giving you the best office in the province. We will take it out from them. Okay, it's not working. The province, why am I not hearing this? So there's a disconnect. Diba? Yeah, kung pulihin na rin yung pagkita na pumuglaing programa nga, makaiba, magdagpunsa mo direct. Sige sila pangatawan ako. Ilang ingana ko kay Mrs. Duterte. Kaya ako tinagalong ko na pala kay Duterte. So, if you can still recall, ang akong unang tuyok yun was remember itong sustainable agroforestry project, itong SAFE, nga dahil ito sa last year ako pagka-isigov na ay mihatag niya, it's the Razon group of companies, mihatag daghan kaayong planting materials of fruit trees because mihatag natin gamay conclusion nga if DNR says na tree planting, dili bitaw fruit trees, di bitaw tamulag kayo, di ganita mo alima, huwag tanong mag-picture taking. Bye-bye. Patay si tanong. Now, this time, with this project unta, through a PO, using DNR land, kanang, wa mo kuha ng DNR, mura o wa sila mo, wa na yun ang MOA. So, gitanong lang doon, kinaanak, 50,000 materials. Wow. O, gitanong, ipanghatag na lang sa mga POs. Dili din mo i-target kay ng POs, bali dili purposive ng pagkatanong. Para low o survival rate. Now, naghihapon tayo, we still would like to go for this strategy, but this time, we will partner with NIA Oh, so dito ang ka-meeting sa niya at doon sa Karuod watershed. This time, using fruit trees again. Yeah, naa sila i-propose po nga we will cover the area first. Ayoko ninyo yung explanation kay di ko technical. They'd like to cover this first with legumes and mga monggo. O, kaaro ko nung naay mugunit. And other, like bamboo na po areas na tanan bamboo or mugunit dyan ko no. Now, we will be partnering with the, we'll have another meeting to firm up all of these initial discussions. And hopefully, ganahan kayo niya. Ganahan kayo. So, ang one magunit is, a project is all about getting the right partner. So, rago ng kami yun, nga mangita ang dyan insakto partner. Oh. Ako po. Now, nasa lang gulayan sa bayan. Inyabot ba ni natin? Oh. Yes. So nasa lang gulayan sa bayan. Kung hindi ko maminaw ang uban ninyong mga kuan, kaling gulayan sa bayan. They were talking about simple kaayo, but I was so excited nga maka-implementa. Simple lang kaayo ang ilang i-promote kasi na laging munggo. Munggo jud kay ilang ang atong munggo sa kanang atong siging at munggo gikan na din na siya o sa lang country ang kinapobrihan Bangladesh. Oh, it's important. So we need so much of it. Kaya mga po na ipuyog na to sa nutrition campaign sa atong mga bata. So we need so much of it. Parang galit ano kay munggo na rin.
Isa may mupalit.
Ha?
Isa may mupalit.
Problema yung
First,
market.
kana na yung atong gipalit karon nga imported na import substitution. Diba? Oh.
Dahil marketing agreement. Okay ra ta.
Of course, but plan first. Plan. Oh, just include it in your program.
Dali, ayun, munggo kay.
Oh, then say yes.
Oh, basta na yung mupalit eh. Dali.
Now,
Dali.
naam gini, makalit lang, naam gini, import. Nag-import man taman-taman. O the direction now of the governor is iyang ipa-appeal sa food feeding sa mga school children. Oh, di ba? So there's the market. Now,
Galing na yung galingan na.
I was also, sa'yo na lang po siya, paano na siya. I was also
Writer lang naman na.
challenged to assess all our cold storage kasi kung saan yan, naana to ka na ginatag sa DA. Cold storage, malak yun siya.
Cold storage. Nasa airport, duha ba?
Cold storage na. Can we have an
Ato man na?
assessment kung saan ang atong cold storage? Sa ikuha, kung sa problema, ga-operate matanan? O na ay problema, they're willing to come to check or makatabang. Kung sa, what ay problema? Guba? Saman? Guba? Kaya they will fix it. Okay, so, magsuwak ka na ninig ko na.
Lukam na mo lang.
Ano, suwak na buka?
Ikaw, cold storage yung ka na yun.
So, we need to assess. We need to assess. We can give you before tapusun na ng inyong kung tagaan. Tanawa sa ang inyong gihatag na mo.
DOTR related to
DOTR din, ha?
DOTR, not
All of
DA.
them?
Duha na.
Duha na ma'am.
Kaya na sa airport,
DOTR.
dito man as PPA gikuha, di ba?
Mo na siya 40 footer nga kanang cold storage pan.
Dili lang ko na sila atong paayuhon na kay
DOTR related ma'am.
So anyway, we come up with an assessment on usa ka mangayo. Mauwa mo ta mangayo na pa din, di wa mga magamit bitaw.
Amen.
Diba? Now, with the arrangements that we were doing, we're looking at Luway as a new fish landing.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so but we need to have one. Kaya atong na dito ko na pwede mong kakuan according to Sir Salvio.
Ang kanang 40 footer.
Oo, di naagit ay bago for
Ano ay wag ko budgeted na to sa luway kay ang katong si PG bitaw instead kay man sila ka-comply sa 3-phase niya.
So, ato ibalhin.
In-commit man tong luway nga mo-provide sila sa
We
3-phase.
will sit down again on this fish problem because si Governor Insha, we will sit with the city government. Kaya nga nung pasagal man po kita rin magsulban ang tagbilarang kaya mo ay number 1 nga ng problema. So we will sit down with them. Okay? Kunya, kung asa ang fish landing, atong butalan yun and ang cold storage. Okay? Now, naapo ko'y suwatan anak, in kaso mangayo ta, naapoy atong masuwatan anak. Alfonso Atayde, Daniel Alfonso Atayde.
Sila ka na? Ni?
Wapo ni siya. Uyuan ni Atayde bitaw ang artista? Kisa na?
Sa bana ni Maine Mendoza.
Grabe.
Si Arjo mo ay ba?
So we will write him in case we need one more. We will still write him in case we need help pagpa-assess kung saan pagpa-under anak o nagba pa-ato payo. At first, we will write anong pagpaayo, pagpa-assess. Dita, mangayo dayon. Panalitan, mangayo, united, mangayo, then we will write niya kung mangayo po ta. But first, we will sit down where? Putang, mag-istorya taglaing meeting on the fish. Okay? Kaya kung katong duha ka, possible sources of fish, ma-match na to. Kaya ang city market, the one in the home, nakuno sila karon sa negotiation phase or mag-bidding of space. Willing si Gov nga kumuha tag space.
Hindi na lagi itong patidan nito.
Ha? Because we were not doing it officially. We were not doing it officially. We have to get a space and we pay for it.
Naman ta na.
Oh,
Di ba ta?
when i-surrender man sila kay kanang
Because what yan po nagbayad, there's no free thin air here.
katong
We have to pay
Awayon
for
sila.
every inch of
awayon
space.
sila sa mga
Wayo sila sa mga tindiran, karaan.
Di ato padarag armalay ng ato. Aming tanan.
Mayo pa.
Okay, now, ipakita ko lang, ikali mga akong kita-interesado kayo, they can give us a tram para sa atong vegetable corridor ba? Tram ka na dito muna ako dito sa babae. It's used to know in Nueva Vizcaya. Ano yan? Luya ba? Kung luya ba vegetable corridor? Mas the volume magagawa ko kay Bawe, kung ba sa binasket na itong akong mga vegetables. But because we have a vegetable corridor project, mga itong na-interesado ko kayo, pakita ko nila sa kanang, pati si Gob, nakakita. Pero ba kayo na-interesado si Gob, pati na siya kasabot kayo.
Di ang tram na sa una sagna na.
O di ako masahan na.
Naguba di kayo gigamit sa mga tao. Pero parehas siguro tong China nga murag train pa maglamig to. Wala bati-bati train.
Oh. Basta mo kay open siya.
Mas mapadali siya. Transport
They
sa
can give us
mismo.
that. Now, the most especially, Ibalis, people has always
Mayroon
been
tayo sa
asking for
Casio.
cattle, o niya, hindi man na ato, ito man as OPV. I will discuss it with OPV. Okay. Cattle and Cabal, maayo kaayo nga project to go for. Now, the following day, dili day nauna di ay, pag-abot na mag-meet namin, when we go to Manila, kami go to the series ng mga meetings, the first meeting that we have was with MVP, Pangilinan. So we were to, kami kaya kung ano yung possible projects for Bohol, possible investment areas for Bohol. I did the presentation. Ang iyag yung pangayo ni MVP was give me an area for cattle racing and Carabao racing. Ingon ko, uwang ko 500 hectares of para sa only mga comments ni MVP. Just to open up your minds for possible investments. He was talking about land consolidation for coconut for cattle, corn, and of course rice. Palay. Ang iyang top of the list niya was Carabao and cattle. If you have an area nga atong ma-identify, we can take off from there. I'm saying this because I don't want to draw a solid line between OPV and OPA because it is all about food sufficiency. So we might work with you in terms of coming up with a proposal. So he was also very interested on coconut. That's why I want to have in that meeting on Wednesday, see coconut na nga dili nakita. Kinsa siya?
Kubing Pilisilda.
Oh, I want to see him. Kunya, pila ko po mga kabaw nga gipanghatag sa batuan. Isa na aware niya.
Sa saan? Sa DA naman.
Oh, maputag hibaw. Nga nagisungad na dito kabaw sa Wapon. Ngano na naman lang po ng Facebook na nakita nga
Amo coordinate.
na inahatag ko kabaw.
Saan? Sa program ng dito sila sa engineer.
Basta kung kailangan sila. So mga na yun mga, you tell, your office is not working.
Very good.
You tell them, please, your people in the region that we're taking back the space that we have given them.
Yes.
Kaya na kaya inusbog ka na ngayon. Opisina na mo, kaya nag-iuna na sila na they're not coordinating. I will ask them to a meeting. Kaya na si Baliw de la Police, please organize this meeting together with Ika on August 6 at 9 a.m. Apila sa si Roman Dabalos. Okay, mauna sa extension ka of the... So anyway, what I'm telling you is, kanipa, usapa, in the CFIDP, which is a very cute money, I am so frustrated. Because when I was still with DTI, I was part of the governing board of the Coco Levy Fund. That's the CIFDP. CFIDP. Now, meron na ikaayo. Ang iabot diri. Yeah, million to billion ang isgutan. Spread out there throughout the country. Really strategic. Like ako mingon, you give that nursery for kanang coconut in areas na Sutapol. Why are you giving coconut hatchery in Cebu, for example? Noon na sila kayo matanong, ato na, dili kita mahinon equally. So, wag din naman po kahawat sa high-value crops. Please focus seriously on coffee and cacao. It is a priority industry cluster. When it is a national industry cluster, all agencies dapat morally, all agencies are supposed to be enabling that cluster via the value chain. Muhatag yun tapang diha. So, on the part of DTI, I was the project manager. Again, frustration. Kaya mo makita sa coffee and cacao. So, ato i-include na ba? Kung ay nakatagawa, na si coffee and cacao sa inyo? Ano? Tinudaan ninyo?
Si Kakao, PCIP na.
Sa coffee,
What is yung priority crops sa
dili sa Bohol.
Kakao ang kwan.
If we cannot be into everything.
Kakao, okay.
We cannot be into everything. When we nakuno kay Criollo na sa Trinidad.
Di na ongoing ang itong certification sa nurseries.
Sige. Kay nasa tuha oy relate. Okay mo kung atong ilakaw. I wish me good luck sa akong exam.
Picture sa... Asa na tayo mo?
Ano lang sila. Ari lang sa front mo, dyan sila mo. Tapok lang ari.
Background lang ito.
Pwede po.
Kung anong screen?
Ari lang kadiri na. Dagan lang kuno. Doon lang tanan na sir. Sige, dagan na tanan. Jari mo sir.